Hey, what's up traders? Before you get into this video, we're running a contest for everybody who likes, comments, and to subscribe to my channel. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, give you free access to my training academy, or if you're already a member of the academy, then a free strategy session with me, 30-minute phone call, get ironed out whatever part of your trading game you need help with, and yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna choose a winner at the end of the month, and enjoy the video. Thanks for your support. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? It is February 10th, 2020, and this is our market update video for the day. And let's get right into it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment below. We're running a contest, and we're gonna pick a winner at the end of the month. Give them free access to my training academy, my course, and get a phone call with me to work out whatever it is you need to work out. So thanks for watching. Click the links below if you'd like to get started in our amazing trading community. If you'd like to learn from me and have me as a mentor and change your game and actually start to become consistent and be able to read the markets and to get more confident when you turn on the computer and turn on your charts, you actually feel like you make some money. So if that is what you're looking for, click the links below and let's get into it right now. With a lot of work and dedication, you can change your life trading, man. It happened to me, and I'm all the proof anybody needs, that is for sure. So I think the biggest one we got to talk about is the euro today, and just this massive breakdown in the euro. So I thought we were going to bounce back from where we were on Sunday, but you can see we just kind of cascaded and waterfalled our way down, all the way down here. And we're on some big time support here, 109.10. And so now I'm looking at a bounce here. And the reason we're in I called out a signal trade for this right before the end of New York session. And the reason is, all you gotta do is look at the dollar index. And the dollar index is even more at a significant area. You got to keep in mind the relation to the dollar index to the euro. I believe it makes 54% of the dollar index. So this is a major resistance level that we're at here. So I'll move this out of the way. And, you know, looking by the weakness of the euro, you know, I'm expecting us to eventually break out of here, which is, you know, some big time dollar strength, but a rejection is likely. And so you can see this big old formation here. And so this is a beautiful setup. And I think we'll get a move down lower here. And with the rejection in the dollar index, I'm expecting a bounce in EURUSD, AUDUSD, which we are already in, seeing a little bit of profits here. And you can see the degree of divergence down here in the dollar index, or the Aussie dollar, is pretty glaring. So one push, second push, we have the divergence here. I would honestly like to see one more push and then some even more divergence, and then I would expect Aussie US dollar to really take off. But because of where the dollar is in relation to the dollar index, I'm expecting a bounce here and NZDUSD. So we're just getting into Asian trade. I entered this a little bit early, and same deal though as Aussie dollar. I'm looking at this level of how beat down New Zealand dollar is, and of course this is because of the relation with everything going on in China. But New Zealand dollar is super weak, Aussie dollar is super weak, but I do expect a bounce on these pairs, and it's perfect timing to coincide with the dollar index there. Another setup is, here we are in Euro Swiss. And sitting in a little bit of drawdown here as well. We have an inverted head and shoulder pattern, kind of. It's almost invalidated because we're down here further lower than this, than the head of the structure, but still you can see it. This is what I was looking at. We've broken through this downtrend line and then just crap the bed, you know what I mean? So I'm still expecting a bounce here, because if you go to a monthly chart, look at where we're at, man. I mean, we're at all-time lows. But you can see how we are on the monthly here, where we are on the weekly. So we're pointing higher. Is it going to be today? I mean, I hope so. But tomorrow's turnaround Tuesday, so I think, you know, we could get some euro strength, especially if if the dollar index falls off there and we get some strength finally out of the euro. We got US dollar CAD that was breaking out today. So this is potentially, you know, have we broken out here? Is it going to be a false breakout? Because look, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, on one hand, oh man, that's a breakout. On the other hand, you know, we're pretty overbought, but that, you know, that doesn't mean we couldn't go higher. But I'm looking at oil here, and today we dripped lower. Tomorrow's turnaround Tuesday, though. We bounced along this big old monthly trend line here, and we respected it today still. So it looks like to me, perhaps, I don't want to jump the gun, but that we're forming some sort of double bottom here with the RSI pointing higher. Now, if this is the case on crude oil, then I go back over to our CAD pairs, because remember, if we get a bounce in oil, especially if we get like a rally the way oil can rally, when it starts, you know, we could be at 55 by mid of the session tomorrow. And dude, I hope so. But I definitely hope that's the case. And so if that happens, then maybe we break back inside here on US dollar CAD. Because we've really been having a hard time struggling to push higher here. So we have a bunch of setups right now. If we're looking at the dollar index too and where it's at, I think it's worth noting. GBP USD, I have a sell limit on 29.50, which is the backside of this trend line. So I'm just going to leave it. And if we get a bounce on these other pairs, dollar index sells off a little bit, and that would hopefully get us a great entry for more downside when it comes to cable. Because look, we're below this structure now. So more downside, if we can get that pop right there and then move lower, man, that's going to be a great entry and a great position for, you know, we don't have much resistance if we start to pick up steam to the downside here. That's for sure. So, and one last but not least, let's look at gold. Still holding on here, still holding on. Now, if the dollar index breaks above that big downtrend line I was pointing out, then, you know, that could be a catalyst to really move this higher, but or lower. But that doesn't look like it's happening. It's holding up pretty strong. So we'll see. It could be consolidating. It's kind of hard to tell right now. But if we're looking at talking about gold, we got to look at the dollar yen. And dollar yen back up here. And really, we're just waiting for it to, if we can retest this trend line, that's going to be an excellent selling opportunity. And, you know, I think either we push lower from here right off the bat, or we move up to retest 110. And, you know, if we hit that 110 level, you know, it's time to sell. So That's how I like to approach the market, seeing how everything is interconnected. CAD, oil, dollar index, Euro USD, AUD, NZD, it's all connected, man. So if you can start to see that and start to approach the market and how is it working together, you can definitely become a lot more consistent, a lot more profitable. So that being said, let's get right into the Asian session. I hope to see you in my VIP chat room if you're not there already. If you'd like to check us out, click the links below to get started. And it's tomorrow's Turnaround Tuesday, man. Let's get it. Peace.